Alright guys, I'm going to do just a couple of those wacky Wednesday fun activities that we did. We're going to start off with a little cute butterfly, and then that kind of leads into that jumping frog, which is fun because you can race with people with the jumping frog. So I'm going to show you guys how to do the butterfly again. Whenever you're doing origami, not always, there's always an exception to the rule, but most of the time you guys start with a square. And a lot of our paper is a rectangle. So what I need to do is I need to create my square and fold one of my corners in half. So I'm going to choose this corner, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this top side and I'm going to bring it over so it lines up with the long side. There we go. So let me show you. If I just pinch right there, you can see that that corner is getting folded in half. So that's what I'm doing. I'm folding that corner in half. Alright, you really want to pinch, make a nice good pinch to create that. And then I'm going to get rid of this right here because that's creating my rectangle. So we wanted to square. So we're going to get rid of this to create our square. Get rid of that. And I'm going to open it up. So I've got my square and I've got this crease. So I'm going to bring one end of this crease all the way up to the other end. Bring it all the way up. You see that? So this end to this end, all the way up. And squish. Nice good pinch. Alright, and it looks like this. So you really want to have a nice crease. If you don't, you want to go back and crease them a little bit better, especially this little X in the middle. Make those nice and crisp. And then what you're going to do is push so that these two sides kind of tuck in. So I've got my hand like this, and I'm going to push till those sides come in, and I'm just going to, like a big sandwich, I'm going to squish. Alright, like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at it like it's a pyramid. So you want that long base at the bottom, not one of your short sides of your triangle, and you're going to take these corners on your base and bring it all the way over here. So I'm going to bring it all the way over and fold that pyramid in half. Alright, so you've got 3 corners now. And I've got a corner that's got all these little pieces. Alright, and that's the corner I'm going to be cutting. You don't want to cut this corner or this corner. They don't have those little pieces. So these little pieces I'm going to cut around. Okay, like I'm rounding it out. So, like I'm making a little rainbow shape. So I'm going to cut the little rainbow. Don't make it too short into your... You don't want to make it all the way down here. You want it up at the top. So you get these little Star Trek symbols out of here. And then I'm going to open it up again like it's a pyramid. The base of my pyramid's a little bit funny now. So I'm going to take these top 2. Make sure that you don't have it like this and you only have one piece over here. You want to open it up so that you've got 2 little flaps on each side. Okay? So I'm going to take this top one and I'm going to fold it up like I'm making half a heart. So I'm taking this bottom side right here and I'm lining it up with the middle. Let me make this a little closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright. There we go. A little bit closer. Okay, so I'm going to take this corner right here and I'm going to fold it up so it's half a heart. You can kind of see half a heart. And I'm going to do it on the other side. Notice that I still have a piece of paper right here. You shouldn't have taken both. Don't take both. Don't do this, okay? And then I'm going to fold it up so you can kind of see it kind of looks like a heart. A really weird heart, but a heart nonetheless. Okay, now, here's the challenging part. So, in order to make my butterfly, I've got to take this point and I'm going to pull it underneath. See how it goes past the top. I know it looks weird and it feels like you shouldn't be doing that with origami, but that's what we're doing, okay? And then I'm going to take this little point and I'm going to fold it up like this, okay? And then I'm going to take the whole thing and fold it in half. I love it. And you're going to squish like you're squishing the little head of your butterfly. Squish it. And then open it up and you've got this cute little butterfly. I love it. So much fun. If you want to decorate it, sometimes you got to unfold that a little bit and you can decorate the wings if you want. Remember that butterflies are symmetrical, so make sure that whatever you're doing to one side, you are also doing to the other. It's like the middle of your butterfly is the line of symmetry. So make sure that you are doing the same thing to both sides so that it is balanced, it is equal. So regular symmetry. All right, so again, same thing. And so if you want to put it back together, you're going to take this, wrap it around the top, and squish. Same thing if you wanted to decorate it with markers or crayons. I would flatten it out first so you don't wreck it. You can kind of see, looks pretty cute. All right,